Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to add dialogue to this scene. But first thing first, let's go ahead and organize this up by creating something called a track group. So if you go up to add, and then you see track group. This does is this allows us to organize it. So if you double click it, well, let me add this again because it's kind of hard to see. So if you probably double click the name, and then backspace, and click on actor, type in actor models, or just actors, and yep, actress too. All right, and then just drag the our our celebrities that we created and hired for free into our actor, and actress, or actors and actress, or however you want to name the track group, and then collapse that, and then we're going to create dialogue. So same, add a track group again, because the dialogue, it's going to be a lot of dialogue going down. So we're going to call this dialogue. I'm going to show you how to add the dialogue. So basically, to do this is you're going to create a UI text. And how to do this, create a UI text, you're going to come here and right click. See where it says UI? Go ahead and click text. And then that is created. And you're going to select, go here by clicking on 2D. Or better, we can actually see it in the game here. So you don't have to click on 2D, but to see it, you'll see in here. So basically, what we're going to do is move this down out of the way so we can see our text. So if you have this up like so, just move this down by selecting this and just move it down. And we're going to type in for text dialogue actor Liam, and then we'll type in where am I? 3 periods. And then in here for the text, you go over to text and type in where am I? 3 periods. All right. All right, and then for here, so we can see it, because the text is in here, it's in the game. So to see it, go all the way down to the white, or the color, and then move this all the way up to the white. See where it says where am I? You see it down below. All right, and then exit that out, and then we're gonna make this a little bit bigger. So put this 25, and where you see horizontal overflow and vertical overflow, put overflow. Change that to overflow. All right, and then we're going to move this up, and to move this up, see where it says position Y? It allows us to move that up. So it says where am I? Okay, yeah, I know the voice, and yeah. Anyways, select the horror scene timeline, and you see it says where am I? So basically, we're going to have that activated. And how to do that is on the dialogue that we created. See this plus button? Click that plus, and you see where it says activation track. This will allow us to activate the dialogue. And also, if you want to see a little short clip I made of some guy with some superhuman powers going up against a zombie, I use an activation clip to activate the his powers and whatnot. I'll link the clip in the card up top so you can check it out. So anyways, to do this, we add an activation clip, and to activate this, all you have to do is select the text, hold down the make sure you hold down the left mouse button, or if you just click it, then it goes away. So go back to horror scene timeline, hold down the left mouse button, and then drag it into dialogue, and that basically activates where am I. So if you scrub it through, it says where am I, then it stops. So we can go over here. All right. So he plays where am I, looks left and right, and then we cut over to this. So next dialogue is we'll create another dialogue because we cannot activate and create another dialogue here because that's playing this dialogue. All right. So we're going to create another one, and go ahead and do add again by hitting this and create activation track. Now we could copy and paste, but I found out there was some issues that the activation track wouldn't play. So just to be safe, just create everything new. So we're gonna create another activation track. Move this activation track down. So he will say, "What's going on? Let's check it out." As he walks towards it, or you can create your own dialogue to fit the scene. So basically, next is we're gonna go to canvas again, highlight canvas, right click, and go to UI text, and this will be Liam saying what's going on. Liam what's going on. Let's check it out. All right, press enter, and then going over to the text, switch that to white so we can see it by going to the color, going up to new, and then changing the font size here to 25, and then do overflow. Don't click on best fit, and we can deactivate where am I by selecting Liam where am I, and to deactivate it, click this checkbox because it's going to activate. That's what the activation thing is. It's going to activate. So we're going to type in what's going on. Let's check it out. What's going on? Three dots, yes. All right. And probably move. You probably keep it like this, or you can move it down by or what I'm doing to move it down. Using I'm just moving it down by highlighting the word pause Y, and to make this these keys right here, and then just moving it down by moving towards the left. Move it down, boom, like so. So we're gonna add this to the activation track. So go back to horror scene timeline and holding down the left mouse button to select this, drag it to like so. So I said, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Let's check it out. Then boom. And then here, Here we're gonna do, oh my god, dude's getting eaten by a zombie, or whatever you want to do. Uh, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do, oh my god, this guy's getting eaten by a zombie, or oh my god, this person's eating this person, or whatever you want the dialogue to do. So same thing, right click here, click on UI, text, and then from here we're going to go ahead and do the same thing, Liam. Then I'm gonna do, oh my god, or you can do OMG, or spell out, oh my god. This person getting eaten by a zombie. Exclamation mark. Two exclamation marks. Press enter, and then go to text. Switch it to white so you can see it. And then type in, oh my god, this person is getting eaten by a zombie. And then put it to 25. And like I said, you can do whatever dialogue you want to match the scene. And then again with this, go ahead and deactivate what is going on with what's going on. Let's check it out. If you haven't done it already, deactivate it, because the activation track is going to activate it. And then I'm going to move this down as well. Again, it's down like so, and just moving this over by highlighting the pause X, and then just holding down the left key, just moving my mouse to the left, moving over a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and select horror scene timeline again, create a new track here. So we need it here. So I'm going to create a new track. And I'm just going to move it here. So this is where it will start. Let's see here. So when it stops, that's when I want it to activate. Oh my god, this guy's getting eaten by a zombie. So drag this down here. So it'll say, oh my god, this guy's getting eaten by a zombie, even though we're not able to see it. But if you go full screen, you'll be able to see it. So let's see here. Actually, there is actually another way so you can see it better. Let's try this. So go to canvas. Select for canvas. Let's try something for canvas. Go to canvas scaler, or UI scale mode. Go to scale with screen size. And as you can see, it will scale the screen size for it. And then let's see here. So if we go back to our horror scene timeline with it, what I did was I actually went to canvas scaler, and then I did scale with screen size. Let me try something here. You guys won't have to do nothing. I'm just trying something here. Okay, now we won't use that. Just keep it to screen space overlay, and scaler with screen size. Still on there. Let's go ahead and see how it looks by pressing the go to horror scene timeline, and then I'm gonna scrub back to see how it looks. Okay, where am I? What's going on? Let's check it out. Oh my God, this person's getting eaten by a zombie. So move this. We're gonna move this over. So selecting the Liam. Oh my God, this person's getting eaten by a zombie or whatever you typed in. Move this over like so, and then going back to the horror scene, and then press play. Then she comes up, or if you want, you can move this down. I'm gonna keep it so she comes up, and here I'm gonna say, how about a kiss? How about a kiss, handsome? Oh man, go have some fun with this. All right, so go ahead and click. We're gonna go ahead and you can click add. Yeah, it's probably best to click add so we won't have to come back. So click add to add the activation track. Scroll down and then move the activation track over here. All right. And oh no, I'm sorry. Don't click add here. But if you did click add there, move this up so we can have this added to the track group so we keep this organized. So highlight this and move this into the dialog track group by selecting the dialog track group, or put it below here. Alright, so now it's inside the activation track group. Keep organized. So we're going to go ahead and select the canvas here, and then go ahead and deactivate this, and then we're going to go ahead and right click UI text, and we're going to change this to Sarah, or wonderful actress Sarah. To how about a kiss, handsome? Yeah. Or do whatever you want on there. And then I'm going to put this in. How about a kiss? Dot. Handsome. And then, oh, don't enter. And I'm going to go down. Same thing. Do 25 here. Overflow for here. And then switch the color to white so I can see it. And then I'm going to bring this down right here. And then I'm going to go back to horror scene timeline, and I'm add it to the timeline, to the activation track. So if you scrub through and press play, okay, we're gonna move this down a little bit. So basically what I'm trying to do is just match it up. If yours is a little bit earlier, just try to match it up to where it says, how about kiss, handsome? And then just shorten it down. So once that ends, boom, okay, that's good. And then Liam's gonna do something saying hell no. So that's the next thing we're gonna do is, so we're gonna go ahead and create another activation track. So scroll up, dialog, click the plus button, click activation track, and then scroll down, and then move this activation track over here for Liam. So when he sees that, It's gonna be hell no. Now, as you see this right here. If you don't have this, I think what's going on is because I add for the his idle is there. That's probably the reason why. So uh probably made his idle a little bit longer. So it's right here. Let me check something here by going back to the claps in this group. So let's see here is Liam. Okay, so actually be best to have his idle there because we deleted. That's the reason why it's doing that. So it's best to have his idle back there. So let's go ahead and add the idle back here. So when it goes over, we won't see that. Or better yet, move his run over. There you go. Just move his run over. So yeah, just move his run over. So if you don't have this problem, you can leave it. But if you do, just move his run over. So when you're playing it, people won't think, why is he over there? Like what we did, you play it, you scrub it. People say, why is he over there? And then once you play, he's here. Wow, that's some Twilight stuff. But go ahead and just move it so we won't see that. So move this down here, move him down here. So it won't show that. So let's see here. Probably move this run here and move this here. So it will animate. All right. Or move this a little bit. I'll probably just keep it that way. Hell no. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it like that, and then she roars. So what I'm gonna have him say is hell no, and then as he runs away. So I'm gonna go to canvas again, deactivate this, and then go to canvas, right click, go to UI text, type in Liam. Hell hell no, as he runs away. And then go to text here, or you can, like I said, do whatever text you want. Hell, helt, hell, no, and then make sure you don't press enter because it will save anyways. If you press enter, it's just gonna give you another space. So backspace, and then go down. Same thing, 25. Then overflow for horizontal overflow, and then overflow for vertical, and then change the color to white. Move this all the way up. Or you can go here, hexadecimal, and type in all Fs. 6 Fs here to change the color. And then click X to exit it out. And then we're gonna move this down. So all I'm doing is just holding down the left mouse button and moving this down by moving the the mouse over to the left. Okay, so right here is good. And I'm gonna go to horror scene timeline. Let me go ahead and collapse this. Or I mean uncollapse this. And then add Liam Hell No to here. As you can see, it looks like, okay, there you go. It'll do that sometimes, but you don't have to worry about it. It'll fix itself. So what happens is he's running. So basically, he said, "How about a kiss, handsome?" And then you play, hell no, and he runs. Hell no. So we shorten this down so it won't get in the way of the roar. So once he's done running, probably right here, shorten this down. See how it works. I press and play. Hell no. Runs away. Then here, I'm gonna say, "Don't deny me." As she roars, ticked off that the homeboy broke her heart. So we're gonna go ahead and click on add track, activation track, and then let me go ahead and instead of moving over, I'm just gonna zoom out to place it here. By how to zoom out, I just scroll down on the middle mouse button and scroll up to zoom in, and then we're gonna go to canvas, deactivate this, and go to canvas, and then from canvas, we're gonna right click, and then click on UI text, and then type in Sarah, don't deny me. Don't deny me. Put it in all caps. Don't deny me. Oh, like I said, don't press enter because it adds an actual space. So it's a habit. Anyways, go to font size, do 25, and then for horizontal overflow and vertical overflow, go overflow, then overflow again, and switch the color to white, and then click the X button, and then where it says "Don't deny me," we're gonna move this down by going to position Y, and then moving it down. So holding down the left mouse button, and then just go down. Or you can just switch it, just type it in if you remember some of the settings or where you want it to go, instead of just keeping doing that. So don't deny me. Go back to horror scene timeline. Don't deny me, and then we're gonna move that to activation track, and then press play. Don't deny me. Then she runs towards the camera. Boom. End. All right. So if you want, you can add another dialogue or change it up. So that is actually it. So next, what we're gonna do is play it to see how it looks. Looks full screen. So if you go to click on, see where it says maximize on play, click on maximize on play so we can see it, and press play. It'll take a bit. It'll play our scene. Okay, so we run into a little bit problem. So and a couple other things. So let's fix the text, because as you see, we ain't seeing the text. So best way to fix this is probably just moving these up, or better yet, if you go to the scene. Let's try this. We're just gonna move it up by holding down the shift key to select all these texts. Uh, what I did was highlight this top one, just hold down the shift to highlight all this text. Then we're gonna move this up. Move this up a little bit, like so. And then I also saw something that was out of whack. So let me see here. I'm gonna press play. Okay, that. See how it just glitched there? So let's go to our camera, because it's in our camera. Okay, so you see it's not intact. So move this in. Okay, good. All right. Yeah, I had a space. So that's the reason why. So let's go ahead and play the scene again by clicking play up top. See how it looks. Okay, still the text is still down below. Let's try something here. I think because if we go to 2D and then select the canvas, and in the scene press F. Okay, so it's within the so it is within the canvas. So we're just going to just fandangle a little bit. So let's go to highlight these, then move these up. Probably get it here. Probably make it -100 for the position. And click play again. Okay, that's not bad. Where am I? What's going on? Let's check it out. Moving in. Oh my God, this girl is getting. Oh my God, this person's getting eaten by a girl zombie. All right, how about kiss, handsome? Hell no. It runs. Don't deny me. Then if you want, you could have add another one, and then that's it. So when you're playing, what that would have done is it would go back into the game, because this is actually an in-game cutscene. But one of the cool things about Cinemachine and Timeline, you don't really have to use it for a game if you have the right tools to play it. As if you want to see my other cutscene called "If Monsters Had Access to Amazon," I created almost like a short film. And another good way to do this, you can use like screens captures to do this, and as I'm doing right now, and then just press play with it in maximum, and then just record your screen all the way towards the end, and then you can share it on YouTube or share it to other people to show what you create using Cinemachine and Timeline, which is really awesome. And the screen capture that I'm using is called Camtasia. So if you want to learn more about it, and or probably purchase what I'm using to record my screen, and also to allow me to create a short film, you can click on my Amazon affiliate link of it below, uh, in the that's found in the description. But other than that, we are actually done. You created a like a cutscene using Cinema Machine and Timeline. You learn how to showed you how to put the actors in place, add dialogue to activate, and also act almost like a director by taking different camera shots, or cameraman acting different camera shots in it. Um, and also you learn how to, if you want to get free assets, and also animations through Mixamo. So if you like this, please like and subscribe, and also support me on my Patreon link that's found below, so I can create more tutorials. Hope you guys have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.